This is an employee attendance sheet which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. This attendance sheet will be with checkboxes. Over here we have got checkboxes. When someone is present, we have to click on the checkbox. And we can see the tick mark. And it got highlighted automatically in green. If someone is not present, just leave it blank. So I'll tick few checkboxes. When we come to right hand side, over here we can see 4 present and 27 absent. If the checkboxes will not be marked, it will be showing as absent. After that, we have got our leaves, week offs and holidays. Week offs and holidays will be counted automatically. There will be no entry for week offs and holidays. I'll come to left hand side. In case someone will be taking any type of leave, we have to click on the cell. We have go to formula bar. We have to delete false and we have to type name of that leave. I'll type SL for sick leave and the entry of sick leave is done. In case you think that you have done the entry by mistake, just click on the cell and press delete and your checkbox will be back. Over here we have got option for our week offs, Saturday and Sunday. In case you have got only one week off, just click on the drop down and select none. In case your week off is not on Saturday and it's on Sunday, click over here and select Sunday. And Sundays will be highlighted as well as restricted. In case your week off is not on Sunday, it's on Friday, just select Friday. And Fridays will be highlighted as well as restricted. On the top, we have got our holidays. When the month will change, our holidays will change automatically. To create this sheet, we will need some data. And the data is in my settings sheet. We will need list of our holidays, employee details, months, year, and our weekdays. For 12 months, we have got 12 sheets. And in the end, we have got annual sheet, means annual summary. Let's start creating a new format now. I have opened a new workbook. Over here, we have got only one sheet. I'll rename the sheet. This will be settings. I'll select the whole sheet and will align all the things in mid. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2. This will be dates, holidays. I'll come ahead, employee code, employee name, designation, department, status. We'll take column D closer and we'll take column J closer. This will be months and this will be year. We'll leave column M blank. We'll take this closer. This will be weekdays. We'll select the whole row and we'll align all the things in center. We'll select dates and holidays and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We will do the same thing with all the headings. We'll change the color. We'll change the font color. Over here also, we will do the same thing. For weekdays, we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the row size. We'll create borders. Or we will do one thing. I'll undo this. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. Over here we get the option of classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of classic. You will see the next step and that is only format cells that contain. Over here we get specific text. We'll click on the drop down and from here we will select no blanks. We'll click on the drop down, customize format. Over here on the top we get 4 options: number, font, border and fill. We will go to border and we'll click in the center where it's written outline and we'll do OK. OK. Now whatever text we will insert, borders will be applied automatically. Enter. And our border got inserted. I'll delete this. I'll take my holidays list and employee details from my example file. We'll click over here and we'll go to my example file. We'll select all the data. We'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll go to my new format or blank format and we'll paste over here. Ctrl+V or Command+V. We'll adjust the column size. Status. It will be active or not active. We'll click just under the heading of status. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list. Source. I'll type active, comma, not active. And we'll do OK. My drop down got created. I'll select active and we'll drag this down or we'll double click on the edge. I'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type active. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select green color for active and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. So the word active got highlighted in green. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type not active. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select red color and font will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. So when someone will not be active, we have to select not active and it will be automatically highlighted in red. I'll do this, active. Months, I'll take from January, enter. We'll drag this till December. We'll adjust the column size. Year, 2024, enter. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this down. Fill series, weekdays. Over here I'll type Monday, MON, enter. We'll drag this till Sunday. On top of Monday, I'll type none, enter. We'll come to right hand side. We'll take column O closer. This will be total present, total absent, total PL, total SL, total CL, total week offs, total holidays. We'll select all and we'll adjust the column size. Total present. For present, we are not going to take any code. We will go to insert and in the center we get the option of checkbox. We'll click over here and checkbox got inserted. We'll drag this to absent also. So in absent, checkbox also got inserted. So whenever it will be present, we will click on this and this became present. Code for total PL will be PL. For SL, it will be SL. Total CL, code will be CL. Total week offs, code will be WO. And for holidays, code will be H. Enter. We'll select all and we'll align all the things in center. Perfect. I'll go to view, show, and I'll remove the grid lines. I'll put some color over here. We'll go to home and we'll put some desired colors. We'll put color in quotes also. We'll come to left and our setting sheet is ready. We'll insert another sheet. This will be January. For 12 months, we will create 12 sheets. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home and we'll align all the things in mid. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2 and we'll select till D. We'll merge this together. We'll drag this down. Over here also I'll insert borders automatically. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From the drop down I'll select classic. And from here I'll select only format cells that contain. We'll click on the drop down, no blanks. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, border. We'll click on outline and we'll do OK. OK. Now borders will be inserted automatically whenever we will insert any text or number. We'll click over here. This will be month and year. This will be week offs. We'll click on B4 and we'll select C also. And we'll merge this together. We'll select next cell also and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. Now I'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list. Source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to left and over here we will select weekdays from top. And on top we have got none. And after that name of the weekdays. So I'll select from none till Sunday. And we'll do OK. So my drop down list got created. I'll select none in both the places. We'll select both. We'll go to home. We'll align this in center. Now I'll select this once again. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type none. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select blue color, dark blue color or navy color. We'll go to font and font will be of same color of the cell. So whenever we will select none, nothing will be visible. And I'll do OK. OK. So right now nothing is visible. But when I'll select any weekday, it will be automatically highlighted in red. So I'll select Saturday and Sunday. Perfect. Over here we have merged two cells, only reason border haven't got inserted. We'll select this and we'll insert border manually. I'll increase size of row number 4. We'll select from row number 2 till row number 4 and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size over here. We'll click just in front of month and year and we'll select till G. We'll merge this together. We'll drag this down. Now I'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list. Source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to left and we'll select months from January to December and we'll do OK. So my drop down list of month got created. I'll select January. Now I'll click just under January. We'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list. Source. We'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to left and we'll select years from top to bottom and we'll do OK. So my drop down list for year got created. I'll select 2024. Whenever we will merge the cells, borders will not be inserted automatically. So we will do this manually. Now we will put some color over here. We'll change the font color. Over here also we will change the color. We'll select all the 3 cells and we'll merge this together. We'll put color. This will be holidays. We'll increase the font size. We'll create borders. We will leave row number 5 blank. We'll take this closer. We'll click in row number 6, means on B6, this will be serial number, employee code, employee name, designation, department. We'll adjust the column size. We'll select the whole row and we'll change the font style. We'll adjust column size over here also. We'll click just in front of department. This will be active and this will be not active. Enter. We'll click on serial number and we'll select next cell also and we'll merge this together. In the same way we will merge all the cells. We'll select both the rows and we'll change the font style. We'll click on active and we'll select not active also and we'll align all the things in center. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type active. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select green color and font will be white and we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type not active. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. I'll select red color and font will be white. OK. OK. So my active, not active both got highlighted. Serial number. I'll put 1 and we'll drag this down. Fill series. We'll delete 11 and 12. We will create this attendance sheet for 10 employees. In case you want to increase, you can. Employee code. It will be plus or equal to. We will go to setting sheet and we'll click on first employee. Enter. So basically I'm connecting this sheet, means January sheet, with my setting sheet. Whatever changes will be done in setting sheet, it will automatically reflect in monthly sheet. Now I'll drag this down. For employee code, designation, department, active, not active, I'll use VLOOKUP. So my formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Employee code will be my lookup value. We'll press function F4 or F4 3 times and dollar will be inserted or dollar sign will be inserted just before the cell number, comma, table array. I'll go to my setting sheet and we'll select employee data from top. We'll select from employee code till status. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the whole range will be logged, comma, column index number. Selection of my VLOOKUP started from employee code. So employee code will be my column index number 1. This will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4 and this will be 5. So in my January sheet, I want employee name. So column index number will be 2 over here. I'll put 2, 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket, but before hitting enter, I'll insert the criteria of if error. In case there will be no value, we will not see any error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, will close the bracket. Instead of if error, you can use if NA also. I'll hit enter. I'll drag this to designation, department, active, not active. Everywhere I can see the same result, means I got name. So over here name is perfect. I'll come to designation, we'll go to formula bar and we'll change the column index number. This is 3, enter. We'll come to department, this is 4, enter, and this is 5, enter. We'll adjust the column size. Perfect. We'll adjust over here also. Now I'll select all the details of first employee and we'll drag this down. So I got all the details of all the employees. Now I'll click just in front of January. We'll take column H closer. We'll click on I, means I2, and we'll select next cell also. And we'll merge this till O. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. This will be attendance sheet. Enter. Now we will insert our dates. The formula for first date will be totally different from rest of the dates. And the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and I'll click on month and I'll click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got some random figure. We'll select this and we'll select couple of more cells. We'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. We'll align all the things in center. For second date, I can't drag this because the formula for second date will be totally different and the formula is plus or equal to if bracket open, we'll click on first date is smaller than EO month, means end of the month, bracket open. I'll click on first date once again. First date is not visible, so I'll click over here and we'll go up by up arrow key. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged, comma 0. We'll close the bracket, comma, we'll select first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, bracket close. We'll come in the beginning of formula and just after if we can see I6. We'll insert dollar between I and 6. Now we will hit enter. So we got our second date. Now we will drag this till 31st. But before dragging, let's insert the formula of days. So the formula for days will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We'll click on first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD, means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this in second date also. Now we will select date and day and we'll drag this till 31st. Now we will select from 31st till 1st and we'll adjust the column size. Perfect. We'll go to view, show, and we'll remove the grid lines. Now I'll click on top of dates and we'll insert the formula for our holidays. And the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Dates will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select our list of holidays from top. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the range will be logged, comma, column index number. The selection of VLOOKUP started from dates. So dates will be column index number 1 and holidays will be column index number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket. We'll go in the beginning of the formula and we'll put the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got our first holiday. We'll go to home, alignment, and from here we will change the alignment. Rotate text up. We'll align this in center. We'll decrease the font size. Also we will wrap the text. Perfect. Now I'll click on first holiday. We'll drag this till end, means till 31st. Perfect. We'll leave this selected. We'll go to conditional formatting. New rule. From here I'll select classic. And from the drop down I'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And my formula will be plus or equal to. We'll go to the left. We'll click on first holiday is greater than double inverted comma twice, means greater than blank. Whenever it will be greater than blank, means if any text will be visible, it will be automatically highlighted. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color and font will be also desired. and we'll do OK. OK. The whole row got highlighted. We'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules. This is the last rule what we have inserted right now. We'll click on edit rule. Over here we can see dollars. So we'll remove the first dollar and we'll do OK. OK. So now only holidays are highlighted. Perfect. We'll click on first holiday and we'll select till 31st. We'll put some color over here. We'll create outside border. Perfect. We'll select this till end and we'll put some color. So our outline is nearly ready. We'll click just under Monday. We'll go to insert and we'll insert our checkbox. In case you want to select the whole range at one time, you can do. I'll delete this and we'll select my whole range till 31st and we'll insert checkbox. So all the checkboxes got inserted in a single click. We'll leave this selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. We'll select classic and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this down. We'll click on first day. We'll remove the first dollar is equal to. We'll click on Saturday, which will be our first week off. We'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select red color, font will also be red and we will do OK. OK. So our Saturdays got highlighted. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. From the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this on top. We'll click on first weekday. We'll remove the first dollar is equal to. We'll click on Sunday, which will be our second week off. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select red color and font will also be red and we'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. Now we will highlight our holidays. Conditional formatting, new rule, classic. From here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be, we'll take this down, we'll click on our first holiday. We'll remove the first dollar is greater than blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. We'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select blue color. Font will be of same color, means blue, and we'll do OK. OK. So our holidays also got highlighted. When we come to right hand side, over here all the Saturdays and Sundays and holidays got highlighted. Over here also we will highlight our days and dates. We'll click on first date. We'll select first day also. We'll press shift control right arrow key and the whole range will be selected. We'll come to left. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this on top. We'll click first day. We'll remove the first dollar is equal to. We'll click on first week off. We'll take this in bracket plus bracket open. We'll click on first day once again. We'll remove the first dollar is equal to. We'll click on second week off. We'll close the bracket. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select red color and font will be white and we'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. Let's highlight our holidays also. Conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this down. We'll click on first holiday. We'll remove the first dollar. Not equal to. For not equal to we will insert smaller than greater than. Not equal to blank. For blank we will put double inverted comma twice. We'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. We will select blue color and font will be white and we'll do OK. OK. So over here also our dates and days got highlighted. Now we will highlight our month ends. We'll click over here. We'll press shift control, down arrow key, right arrow key. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. From the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be plus or equal to, we will come to left hand side. We'll click on first date. We'll remove the first dollar is equal to blank. For blank, we will insert double inverted comma twice. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select red color and font will also be red. And we'll do OK. OK. When we come to right hand side, it got highlighted in red. When we will change the month, we'll do it January. Let's see what result we got. Highlights got removed. Now we will click on first date and day. We'll press Shift Control right arrow key. Conditional formatting, new rule. We will select classic, and from the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll come to left. We'll click on first date. We'll remove the first dollar is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill, and it will be a red color. Font will also be red, and we will do OK. OK. Right now the conditional formatting what we used is to highlight our dates and days. When we will change the month now, we'll do it February. When we come to right hand side, over here it got highlighted from top to bottom. There's no text, only reason we can't see border. We'll put border over here. Perfect. Let's do this January. We'll come to right. So in left all the things are done. Let's go to right side. We'll take column A enclosure. We'll click just after last date. We'll press is equal to. We'll go to setting sheet. We'll come to right and we'll click on total present. We'll hit enter. We'll adjust the column size. Now I'll drag this down. I got true. I'll select both the cells and we'll drag this to right. We'll adjust the column size. We'll take all the things in center. Perfect. In total present we can see true, and in total absent we can see false. So we'll delete true and false and we'll insert boxes over here. Means checkbox. We'll go to insert. We'll click on checkbox. Now I'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type true. We'll click on drop down, customize format, font. I'll do the font as green and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever we will click in checkbox, it will automatically be highlighted in green. Over here also it got highlighted in green. We select the whole sheet, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and I'll type PL. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. We'll click on drop down and we'll select a desired color. Font will be white. OK. OK. So my PL got highlighted over here. In the same way, I'll highlight my SL, CL, week off and holidays. Perfect. So all the codes got highlighted. In case I'll insert PL over here, it will automatically be highlighted. I'll delete this. Now I'll select all and we'll create borders. We'll put colors over here also. Green. Total absent will be red. We'll change the font color. We'll change all the colors over here also. We'll click over here and we'll select till end. We'll merge this together. This will be monthly summary. Font size is too big. I'll reduce this. We'll adjust the size, means we will increase the size. Perfect. Now we will insert our formulas over here. To count total present, we will use COUNTIF plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open, range. We'll come to left. We'll click over here. Just under Monday. We'll press Shift Control right arrow key. We'll press F4 or function F4 3 times, comma. We'll click on code of total present. We'll press function F4 or F4 2 times, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll align this in center. So we got 1. If I drag this down, we got 0. I'll undo this. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general and we'll type hash semicolon dash, and I'll do OK. Now I'll drag this down. So instead of 0, now we will get dash. We will drag this to end till CL. We'll come to left. Total week offs. The formula will be plus or equal to COUNTIF, bracket open. We'll come to left. We'll click on first day of the month. We'll press Shift Control right arrow key. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the range will be logged. Comma. We'll come to left and we'll click on our first week off. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Bracket close. Now we will copy our formula. Control C or Command C. We'll come to the end. Plus we will paste our formula. Control V or Command V. We'll delete last cell reference from here. We'll come to left and we'll click on second week off. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the cell will be logged and we'll hit enter. And we got 8. We'll align this in center. We will drag this down. Total holidays. The formula will be plus or equal to COUNTIF bracket open range. We will come to left hand side and we'll select all our holidays from 1st till 31st. We'll press function F4 or F4 and the range will be logged. Comma, double inverted comma, question mark, star, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got 2. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this down. Perfect. We'll come to left. Our first sheet is ready, but still we can do entry in Saturdays, Sundays, and even on our holidays. So let's restrict this. I'll uncheck the boxes. Now I'll click just under Monday. We'll press Shift Control down arrow key and right arrow key. We'll come to left. Now we will go to data validation. From here we will select custom because we are going to put formula and our formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this to right. We'll click on our first holiday. We'll insert dollar between I and 4 is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice. So this is our first validation. We'll take this in bracket into bracket open. Now we will click on our first day. We'll press function F4 2 times is not equal to. For not equal to we will insert smaller than greater than. We will click on our first week off. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Bracket close. This is our second validation. Into bracket open. Again we will click on first weekday. We'll press function F4 2 times is not equal to. We'll click on our second week off. Bracket close. Into bracket open. Now we will click on our first date. We'll press function F4 2 times is not equal to blank. Bracket close. This validation we are using for month end. Into bracket open. We'll click on first active or not active. Means this is the first active or not active of the first employee. We'll click over here. We'll press function F4 2 times is not equal to not active. I take not active in double inverted comma. Double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we'll do OK. So all the validations got inserted. Now if I'll try to do some entry over here, entry can't be done. All the cells got restricted. If I'll come to right hand side, I'll untick this. So now entries can't be done over here. Let's come to left. Now I'll click on the month of January. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy, move to end, create a copy, OK. In the same way we will insert 12 copies. There's another way to insert a copy. I'll press Alt and we'll drag this on plus sign and my copy got created. So we will create 12 copies for 12 months and 1 for annual. We'll come to left. This is January. This will be February. In the same way, I'll rename all the sheets till December. We'll come to January. It's showing January over here. We'll go to February. We'll click on drop down and we'll select February. In the same way, I'll do the changes till December. Over here in May, we can see some error. It's not an error. Cell size is small. Just adjust the cell size and dates will be visible. This will be June. We'll do changes till December. We'll insert one more sheet for annual. We'll press Alt and we'll drag this to plus sign. This will be annual. In annual, these things are not required, so I'll delete this. Delete. We'll insert one more row. Insert. We'll increase size of row number 2. We'll select this and we'll merge this together. We'll go to home and we'll merge this. We'll put some color over here. This will be employee details. We will delete all these things because these are not required. Delete. We'll delete one more column. We'll remove all the formulas from here. We'll click on top and we'll select till end. We'll merge this together. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. This will be annual summary. Enter. We'll insert borders. So formula will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. We'll go to January sheet. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on first present. Now we will press shift and we'll click on month of December. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So all the sheets got connected. We will drag this down and we'll drag this to right. Perfect. We'll come to left and the sheet is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. But the download option is only for channel members. In case you want to download the file or format, you'll have to join channel membership. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.